Hello, I'm Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials, bringing you another original design. This is going to be the Dragon's Breath knot. This is not Christmas related. We're going to do a special one here. So this is going to be at my left side at the belt line as usual. Come over here. We're going to put in our dimple. We're going to come across, secure it like this, and we're going to come down like so. We're going to come around here like this. We're going to do a wreath. We're going to use a wreath a lot in this knot. We're going to come up over here like this. And it's going to be folded in half like that, and we're going to want to keep it that way. And then we're going to come through here. We're going to fold it in half because it'll be easier just to get it through there. And now we're going to do a wreath. And we're going to go over the top. And then up and over like this. And I want to, as I'm doing that, I want to kind of twist this like this. And we're going to do another wreath. And anchor it like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my collar down, and then I'm going to adjust this the best I can. And you want that to kind of be up like that, kind of put a crinkle kind of. Doesn't have to be a fold, just kind of fold it like that. If it's a really stiff tie like this one is, it'll do it naturally. If not, it's not, that big a deal, but you want something in there looking like this. Like a little indentation in there. Then you have the wreath here and here and here. It kind of makes it look like a dragon. So again, on your own time, my friends, your favorite one I've made. See you in the next video. Again, follow me on social media, SimmonsEssentials. Peace and God bless.